Everybody, it is Sierra Janelle and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a brow tutorial on how to do brow lamination. We're going to do a walkthrough from beginning to end on how to achieve brow lamination, tinting, as well as wax. I have my good friend here, Cheyenne, who's going to be my model today. So let's just hop right into the video.
So I am starting out with cleansing the area. I'm just using an alcohol pad just to give the brows a good clean before I apply any products. Next, I am going to place the first step of the Thia permanent solution. This is the permanent gel. Basically what this is a chemical solution. It perms the brows. I'm also using a lip wand to flatten the hairs as well. There are a lot of different tools that you can use. Some people use spoolies. There are brow combs as well, but I find that the lip wand works the best for smoothing and flattening the hairs and that upwards motion, and because that's the look that we're going for. So lip wand is my favorite tool to use, but you can use whatever you feel like that gives the best results. So right now I am going to cover her brows up with a piece of saran wrap and leave it on for about 7 to 10 minutes depending on the thickness of her hair. All right, so after the 7 to 10 minutes, I'm going to remove the saran wrap and remove the solution from her brows using a very damp cotton square and just to get everything off of there. Next, I am going to go with the Neutralization Cream, and this is a very super important part of the process. This is going to stop any chemicals from still working its magic. So just how when we was little, we had the little two-step little process getting the perm. This is basically the same step. You want to make sure you have that Neutralization Cream on there for the same amount of time that you have the permanent gel. Again, just to get any actives off the brows and stop anything that is still perming the brows. Okay, so now that we have the Neutralization Cream off, I'm going to go in with a tint. I offer tint within my brow lamination services, but sometimes it can be overwhelming for the client, so I ask them if they want the tint done. I also do the tint before the wax because I find the wax give me those crisp, clean lines that I like towards the end. So that's why I kind of switch the order when it comes to that. As you see that I am wiping some of the tint off the head of her brows to give that ombre effect, because you don't want it to be too dark at the head. You kind of want it to fade off and get darker as we get to the tail of the brow. So that is what I'm doing right now. I do wax, or I do tint while I'm waxing, just to cut back on some of the time that I spend on the whole thing. So like I said, I also do not leave the tint on there too long, as if I was doing a regular just brow wax and tint. We've already done a lot of chemical processing on the brows, so I don't want to over process the brows by keeping the tint on too long. So I only keep it on about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll also see me doing some highlighting just to make sure that they are crisp and clean. Last and final step is going to put the Regeneration Cream on top of the brow. This is going to give it a little glaze look. The client is going to keep that on for 24 hours, and basically it's like a conditioner for the brows. So that is pretty much it when it comes to my brow lamination. If you do have any questions, please feel free to ask me any questions in the comments. If you have not already, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of the final results. Until next time, guys.